averages and MACD indicators can make you profit on Quotex trading platform. Today's tutorial: trading binary options on Quotex with 2-minute expiry time trades and 30-second candles makes it simple. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing and join our Telegram channel as well. We will be diving into Forex and expert advisors as well, and you don't want to miss out. We use 20-period moving average and type WMA. The next moving average period is 50 and type also WMA. The MACD indicator is used with default settings. When the moving averages cross downward and the MACD indicator has a small momentum upward, we take sell trades. We made profit here, great. Here we take buy trades as the moving averages crossed upward and the candles have come to retest the 50-period moving average. We will take more trades at different entries so you get how it works. Closing all in profit. Here the moving averages have crossed upward and the MACD is showing some increased momentum. The entry was all good. When the market begins to trend downward or upward, you may find it respecting the 50-period moving average and you can use it to take trades. And we made profit. Here we have the moving average crossed and the candles are retesting the moving average and we take buy trades. We didn't make profit here, but it's all good cause overall we are in profit.